It's amazing to be here as well. We're at the launch of the Nkandla Build It Under 13 Festival that will be taking place on the 3rd of May in Nkandla, a very special place. Amazed with the turnout today by the schools for the tournament. I think it's going to be an amazing tournament. Obviously next week we've got football and netball schools partaking in the competition, competing to be crowned Nkandla Champions 2025. And I think we're going to have some amazing talent. Obviously, the 3rd is not only about kids running behind a football as well. It's about the schools and the kids having a festival, builders bringing the fun and the passion back into sport as well, because I believe that in KZN as well, you know, at one time we were the leading province in the country in terms of sports excellence as well. And through the efforts of Build It, obviously the Department of Education, the Department of Sports, SAFA, SA Netball, 1KZN as the voice of the province as well, I think we can once again regain our spot as a leading province producing champions. And if we don't start here as well, we'll never get there. So I'd like to obviously extend a thanks to everyone that has attended the launch as well, and look forward to an amazing day next week when we crown the Nkandla Champions 2025.
Inhloso yethu yokuthi senze lento lokho esikwenzayo kahle ukuzama ukuthola i-communication phakathi komphakathi nabafundi nezingane nothisha nezikole nayo yonke into ukuthi sigcine sikwazi ukuthi sisizane nathi sizabona nabo basiza thina ngaphandle kwabo asikwazi ukwenza lutho sivulekile ukuthi wonke umuntu ofikayo afike as a supporter, and also mase kukhona i-tournament bengajabula ukuthi wonke umuntu afike othisha abafundi ingane support ukuze i-tournament ibe nempumelelo.
In the month of May alone, we've got over 31 tournaments taking place throughout Southern Africa as well. It's obviously driven by our retailers as well, and I think it's sending out a very strong message to the South African community as well, that although we sell building material, we're in the people business. So from a Build It point of view, we started the Build It Under 13 in 2006, and it's presently the biggest junior and the longest running junior development program in Southern Africa. And I've got to obviously give thanks to the DOE, SAFA, and all our partners as well, Netball, because without y'all this wouldn't be possible.
Umuntu uyazi ukuthi ubuild it njoba akachaza ubaba nesiphile ukuthi ama tournaments anje abeba khona. Umuntu uyathobeka kakhulu mfowethu Shanga ukuthi isibuyile le tournament. I was seeing nje ithombe zikambukazi umfana waseJozini odefender ku Pirates Nkuzimala defend kuma development stages. He was wearing ama-jezi Build It. Uyabona ukuthi ngempela this tournament iyabakhuluma abadlali.
Okulindelekile la eNkandla ukuparticipate kweNkandla yonke. iNkandla indawo evuleke kakhulu. Uma usuka eFort Louis uya kwaNcamalala, usuke kwaNcamalala uya kwaDolwane, ukuparticipate kwezikole nama-circuit angaphezulu kuka-6 ukhomba ukuthi i-tournament yakwa-Build It izohamba ibanga elingakanani ukufinyelela ey'nganeni ezehlukehlukene zaseNkandla. Siyayazi-ke eNkandla ukuthi indawo esemakhaya, so iy'ngane zaseNkandla ziyalidlala ibhola kodwa zingalitholi ithuba lokugqama. Yilo-ke leli esilibona uBuild It elisondeza, nathi sase sithi cha, asiqinisekise ukuthi zonke iy'ngane zaseNkandla ziyalithola ithuba elilinganayo lokuparticipate kule tournament.
Siyabonga uBuild It ukuthi aqhamuka le initiative ezosiza abantwana bethu ey'koleni bakwazi ukuveza amakhono abo nama-talent abo, because singahlala senze sifunde sibhale kodwa khona labo ngempela abaphiwe kakhulu ekudlaleni. So lena-ke i-exposure enhle kakhulu ukuthi baveze amalokhuzana amakhono abo badlale. So ngicabanga le initiative ka-Build It izokwenza ukuthi yakhe unity kubadlali nakwezinye iy'kole nje ey'khona competition ekhona encane izosiza ukudevelop ama-skills kubantwana nokudlala, because bafuna kangcono bedlala.